A young woman, Anna, sits at a table, sipping her latte and scrolling through her phone. She's engrossed in an article about the stock market, her brow furrowed in concentration. I wish I could understand how the stock market works. It all seems so complicated. Suddenly, a friendly voice interrupts her thoughts.
Mind if I join you?
Anna looks up to see a man, Mark, standing beside her table with a warm smile. Oh, no, go ahead. Mark takes a seat opposite her and introduces himself. Anna finds herself drawn to his easygoing charm and decides to ask him about the stock market. I was just reading about the stock market, and I'm still struggling to understand how it all works. Mark chuckles.
Don't worry. It's not as complicated as it seems. Let me break it down for you in a way that makes sense.
Mark begins to explain the basics of the stock market to Anna, using simple terms and relatable examples.
Imagine you're starting a lemonade stand. You need money to buy cups, lemons, and sugar. So, you decide to sell shares of your lemonade stand to your friends and family.
Okay, I get that.
Each share represents a small piece of ownership in your lemonade stand. So, if your lemonade stand becomes successful, the value of each share will increase.
So, buying stocks is like investing in a company's future?
Exactly. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. And if the company does well, the value of your stock will go up, and you could make a profit.
Mark continues to explain the concept of supply and demand in the stock market.
The price of a stock is determined by supply and demand. When more people want to buy a stock, the price goes up. And when more people want to sell a stock, the price goes down.
So, it's like a game of tug-of-war between buyers and sellers?
Pretty much. And the stock market is constantly fluctuating because of this constant battle between buyers and sellers.
Anna is starting to grasp the basics of the stock market, and she's eager to learn how to make money from it. So, how do people make money in the stock market?
There are two main ways to make money in the stock market: capital gains and dividends.
What are capital gains?
Capital gains are the profits you make when you sell a stock for more than you bought it for.
And dividends?
Dividends are payments that companies make to their shareholders out of their profits.
Mark cautions Anna about the risks involved in investing in the stock market.
It's important to remember that the stock market is not a guaranteed way to make money. There is always inherent risk involved. You could lose some or all of your money if you're not careful.
So, how can I minimize the risks?
The best way to minimize risks is to do your research and invest in companies that you believe in. You should also only invest money that you can afford to lose.
Anna thanks Mark for his insightful explanation of the stock market. Thank you so much, Mark. You've really helped me understand the basics of the stock market.
You're welcome, Anna. Just remember, the stock market is a complex beast, so it's important to continue learning and make informed decisions.
I will. Thank you again.